All right, this is probably the hardest one that I've worked today. It's not hard, it's just more tedious, I guess. So it says it's a percent increase decrease problem. It's a percent decrease problem, and that's always a fraction. It's the difference over the original amount. So in this case, it's the first sales minus the next sales over the original. Okay? And it doesn't really matter which you subtract in the top. You know, in this case, you know it's going to be which one comes first. You know, in this case, that it is decreasing. So if you had the smaller number first, of course, it'd be minus. And that would make sense. All right, so a company received $3 million in royalties on its first $20 million. So that's 3 over 20. And it's minus, always a difference. And what's the ratio of the next ones? It's 9 over 108. And what was the original amount? 3 over 20. So that's where it looks kind of nasty. I think what I would do, any of these times that you have a percent increase, decrease problem, one of the fractions in the numerator is always going to match the denominator. So let's rewrite this problem like this. Just on the side of your paper, think if you had x minus 4 over 5, that's the same thing as x over 5 minus 4 over 5, okay? That's what I'm going to do here. So I've got 3 over 20 over 3 over 20 minus 9 over 108 over 3 over 20. So this will cancel and just be 1. So see, that already looks a lot better. 1 minus, this is 9 over 108 divided by 3 over 20. And you know when you divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So that's going to be times 20 over 3. Now when you multiply fractions, you can always cancel a common factor in the numerator and denominator. So 3 goes in 3 once, and 3 goes in 9 3 times. And I may, let me see, this would be, let's go ahead and call this, 2 will go into 20 10 times, and 2 will go into that 54. So now I've got 1 minus 30 over 54. 3 times 10 is 30 over 54. Well, let's go again, okay? That's going to be 1 minus 15 over 27 because 2 went into both of those. And then 3 we're going to 15 5 times, and 3 we're going to 27 9 times. So it looks to me like I've got 1 minus 5 ninths, is that right? And 1 minus 5 ninths is 4 ninths. I quickly look at my answers, and they are in what form? They are in percent form. So let's do long division. 4 divided by 9. 9 will go into 40 4 times. And stop right there because only one answer has a 4. So your answer is 45%.